Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I did a kind of proper video, really. I chucked one up the other week, just doing some trails and stuff in Wales. And today it is New Year's Eve, 31st of December. The weather has been absolutely atrocious. Really, really terrible. But it's not too bad today. So, New Year's ride. It'll be 2024 by the time I get this video up on the channel. So, Happy New Year, everybody. Hope you've all made completely pointless New Year's resolutions. Because we all know that we make them with the best intentions and then, you know, just don't. So we are back in Wales, just at the bottom of Snowdonia at Motor Camp Wales. We came over here on Boxing Day, had a ride out on the 29th, and we're going home tomorrow on New Year's Day. So today we thought we'd have a little ride out. We are just going to go across Bomber Lane, probably with the most photographed view spot of all the trails in Wales, and then we are going to head down to Mac on a couple of other trails, grab some lunch, and then I think we're probably going to come back via the road. Just having a little ride today. It's only 50 miles, so you know, get out, stretch the legs, get the bikes warm. There's a lot of water laying around, and it looks like the top of where we're going is up in the clouds today. So not sure what the view will be like. Yeah, it's going to be a wet ride, or at least a bit wet under the tyres, and I think it is going to rain in a bit, so we are going to get a bit damp. But some nice easy trails today anyway, with many gates, unfortunately, as it is Wales. Oh, so many gates. Keeps you fit, getting on and off the bike. Plus there's only 3 of us today, so that means even more gates for everyone. Right. Let's plod along up here. Probably quite washed out up here, because we've had a lot of rain, and it'll have washed a lot of the loose stuff down. Yeah, it has. It's not too bad though. I'm not in any rush because there's another gate just here, which Fern has got for us. So yeah, it's going to be a wet one. Plenty of water around. Yep. Everybody's going to decide to get wet. I'll go round them. As fun as it is to go splashing through them, it is cold today. Too cold for splashing through these too quickly. It's so wet up here. Top tip, everyone, don't bother buying waterproof boots, because if you're riding on stuff like this, you'll just end up with water over the top of your boots anyway. So buy normal boots, because they dry out a lot faster, and then buy yourself some sealskin socks, and then your feet will stay nice and dry. Or an awful lot drier than they do in waterproof boots when you get water over the top of them. And waterproof boots take an absolute age to dry out, whereas non-waterproof ones breathe a lot better, dry out a lot faster. You can just normally get them dried out overnight. Well, it's a bit slippery up here today, but it's still not raining, which is absolutely blimmin' remarkable. Well, we've got a nice view when we're not avoiding all the mud and the ruts and the rubble. Yeah, if you come up here, do not go through that. That is drown your bike deep and full of horrible shit. This is a lovely lane, this is one of my favourites. Bearded lane. Going up it's a little bit more challenging than coming down it, but it's not too bad. A little bit churned up, Fern's ploughed through it. So if he's getting here, one of my favourite lanes, this one, by a long way. So much fun. So much fun. So yeah, that's nearly it for the lanes for today. Only a couple of short ones. Just enough to get the bikes a bit dirtier. And all that jazz. Got lucky with the weather. It's absolutely horrendous yesterday. And it's been lovely today. We're windy, but otherwise not too bad. But yeah, little New Year's ride out. Lovely to get out and about with the hardy bikers. Go down to the next gate because there's another one in about 200 yards. So yeah, Hope the sound's a bit better on this video, apart from my heavy breathing. Apologies for that. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the content, give it a like, just hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you again in the next video.